morning everyone. Namaskar. Welcome to the computer class. This is Gaurav Jain going to teach you HTML. You have learned in the previous videos how to make a HTML document, how to format a document, how the tags are placed in HTML document. So today's topic is image insertion, means how to insert an image in an HTML document. For that, let's start with Notepad. It's the software used to write HTML codes. So here is Notepad. Let's start writing the code. The first tag is HTML, then the header section, then the title like my first page, then title close, then head close. So this header section is optional basically, it's not compulsory. Now comes to the body section. Body bg color equals to, write the name of the color like yellow text. It's the here you can write the color of the text, like I choose blue. It's not case sensitive. You can use capitals as well as smalls or sentence skin, whatever whatever you want to use. Okay, so now the background of the page is yellow and the text appears in blue color. You have learned this in the previous videos also. Now here the tag center, then h1. H1 means heading 1, my first demo page, and h1 close and center close. Okay, now we have to write one paragraph. Like I have to write introduction here. I have to write one paragraph, so let's save the time and we can take this paragraph as here, copy and paste. So one paragraph is finished. I have to close all the tags which are is open there, like body and HTML. You have heard about the font tag, right? So font face is for the name of the font, like I have write Arial and size equals to 5. So let's save this page. Let's see how the page look like. Demo dot html is the extension of HTML document. Without this extension we cannot save the page. Okay, here is the page. So it looks like this. Wow. So you have already learned about the formatting tags like bold, italic, underline and all. You can apply these effects also. Then just close it down, go to that page. Okay, now our topic is to insert image. Like after that introduction I have to insert image. So let me increase the font size so that you can see properly. That's, I think, very much clear. img is the tag which is used to insert the image. src attribute is used to define the path where the image is located in the computer. Like there are two ways to insert image. One, place the picture in the same folder where your document is, or write the path of the image. Let me explain both. So our page is saved on desktop and image is also there on the desktop. So it's the easiest way to write the name of the picture. What is the name of the picture? Computer. Okay, go to its properties and check its extension. It's a JPEG file. Fine. So go to that page, write computer dot jpg and double quotes. We have to enclose this in double quotes. So align attribute is used to set the image left, right and center and top, bottom and middle also. So I write right, align right side. So height is used to change the height of the image, like 50%, width like 25%. It will decrease or increase the size. Let's save this file. img tag is the empty tag, so no need to close it. It is only used once. So let's minimize it and so image is appeared there. You have seen this computer image. Okay, now let's move to the second way. Second way means like I have to copy this, copy. Okay, go to documents and paste it here. So image is pasted here and the name of the image is computer 123, okay, jpg file. So we have to go to the properties of the image. We have to select this location and copy, then go to our document. In the place of image name, paste the path. Okay, backslash. Now after that backslash we have to write the computer name of the file, computer123.jpg. ठीक है. Let's see, press refresh. So image is there. Okay, if I don't write this path, only computer 123 is written there, will the image appeared? No, image does not appear there. One more attribute is there, alt. Alt is used for the alternative text means when the image is not appeared in the web page, some text will be displayed. This is an image of computer. I have write something this and now save the file and save. Go to Chrome, refresh it, then this message appeared in the place of image because image is not displayed. Okay, whenever I correct it, it will be on desktop. So computer.jpg is available on the desktop, then it will display in our web browser, displayed. Fine. So you have understood how to insert an image. Okay, we can change the alignment right. Okay, fine. I have write it center, CENTER, not TRE. It will be in the left side because the data comes along with that. Right is there. Clear now? So this is it. This is the way to insert the image. I think you have understood. Fine. So here are some questions for you related to this topic. The question number 1 is, what is the use of img tag? Explain img tag with its attribute and design a web page with the following instructions. Background color of the web page will be blue. Text color must be white. Write one paragraph of any topic and insert an image. This is it. This is for today. Stay home, stay safe.